Good morning, Ryan from Perry's here. It's just a quick video on the basic controls of your new vehicle just to minimise the contact when you do come into the showroom. So we'll start on the left hand side of the wheel, we'll work our way around the rest of the vehicle. Okay, so left hand side is where your volume controls, radio controls, Bluetooth controls for your mobile device, and switching between radio and Bluetooth. So when your mobile device is connected up, which I'll show you how to do in a moment, you use these two buttons here, so answer and decline. And then you've got your volume controls. You can go up and down the volume, or you can just mute it by pushing that one. Okay, this button here will go between the radio stations. Okay, and if you've got your phone connected up, it'll go through your songs that you've got playing on there. And then this button here will go between FM, AM, DAB. Okay, on the indicator stalk you've got your lights, so automatic headlights, so you don't need to worry about those. It will just adjust to the brightness outside. And then you've got your front and your rear fog lights in the centre there, and you've got your indicators on the end. Window wipers are on the right hand side. So to do the front ones, you just push it up. The higher up you go, the faster they go. Okay, and then bring it back down. To do the rear, you just do the little dial on the end there. Now to squirt the front windscreen washers, I'm not going to do it because the car is nice and clean, but you simply pull it towards you, okay, and for the rear one, push it away from you. Right hand side of the steering wheel is your trip computer, cruise control, speed limiter. Okay, so this button here will do your trip computer down in the middle. Okay, and then each of those, use this arrow here and you've got individual settings. So you can see your MPG, how many miles you've got to a tank and all that. Okay, this one here is your cruise control. So you'll see the little green symbol come up here. When you're at your desired speed, just pull this one down to set and it will hold you at that speed. You can cancel it out either by tapping the brake or pushing the cruise control button again. Okay, and you can also speed up and slow down using that reset and set button. This one is for your speed limiter, so you push that and it will limit the speed. You can set that, so you can have a play around with that. The vehicle will not go over that speed limit. To cancel that, just push that and it will go off. If you don't want the green symbol there as well, just push that and that goes off. Okay. Down the right hand side you've got your traction control button and your lane keep assist. Okay, lane keep assist, you'll see a symbol displayed on the dashboard just here, so you can turn that on and off from that button. This one here is for your brightness of your display. Okay, and this one is your headlight adjustment. They have been set to the correct levels. On the driver's door is your window controls, so you've got your four electronic window controls, and you've got your lock and your unlock button. You've also got your lock the rear windows. If you've got any children, dogs, anything in the back that like to climb around, you can lock that. You'll still have control of them here, but in the back you won't be able to. And then you've got your left and right mirror adjustments, and just use this little four square. And then you've got your power folding wing mirrors. Okay. Down in the centre you've got your parking sensors. So if you park close to like a wall or an object, and you park there and the sensors are going off, you'll hear it like that. Simply push that, turn it off. Okay, that's your stop start technology. So when you come to a set of traffic lights, the vehicle's up to running temperature and batteries in good health, the engine will cut out. Okay, if you're in neutral and your foot's off the clutch, to engage the engine again, just put it back into first gear and the engine will cut back in. Okay, this button here is for downhill brake control. You'll see that little green symbol on the right hand side of the dashboard there. That is to assist you if you're sort of towing a caravan or towing anything, and it will just assist you on hills. Okay, and then you've got steering mode. That will just put the steering mode in either normal or sports. Okay, we'll leave it in normal for you. Then you've got a USB port and an auxiliary cable. You've also got two 12 volts. You've got the keys for the roof bar, sorry, just there. And then you've got your heating controls. Okay, so the big fan and the little fans obviously for fan speed. Okay, and then you've got your fan directions. Okay, and then individual dials, so you can make the driver's side 26, passenger side high, or you can sync those. It will always sync to the driver's side. No, okay, and you just push off to simply turn it off. And then you've got your front and rear heated windscreens, passenger heated seat, driver's side heated seat. Got your hazard lights there. Okay, and then up here is your radio. Okay, so it has got DAB radio. As I mentioned, this button on the steering wheel will flick between FM, AM and DAB. Okay, nice and simple. Click list, and then you've got loads of different radio stations you can choose from. Now to work the sat nav, you can either click map and it will bring up just a big screen of where you are, or you click nav and then tap address, and you literally just punch in your postcode in there, click OK, and it will take you to that destination, and it will give you an approximate arrival time. Okay, now to set your phone up, you push the settings button. Bluetooth, paired devices, it will say there's none at the moment. But if you go to your phone, Bluetooth device, find the name Tucson, enter the 0000, and then it will connect up. Okay, and then to play your songs from your phone, you can just push media. Okay, and it will go to whatever songs on your phone. And then if you've got an incoming call, you can answer and decline. That is everything. Oh, the fuel filler is on the left hand side. You'll be able to see that from the little arrow that's there. Okay, and you just simply push it to open it. Okay, if you've got any questions, just refer back to this video in the future, or you can just give me a call. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.